A sensory breath walk is combining the benefits of a good walk and then enhancing it further, optimizing it. And most of us humans, whenever we walk somewhere, we're normally walking at quite a pace. You know, our minds are so busy, they're causing us to walk quickly. And of course, when you rush around, then you miss everything in front of you. Ferris Bueller had it right. One of the easiest things you can do to slow down your mind is to slow down your walking. And that's where you start with a sensory breath walk. You start your walk and then you deliberately and consciously slow down the walking pace. And then what you do is you tap into, initially, your breath, and you begin to marry the steps of your breath with the footsteps of your walking. And those footsteps become the beats with which to breathe to. Finally, once you've married your breathing to your footsteps, you then begin to tap into your senses. What can you see? What can you hear? What can you feel, touch? And you make those senses come alive, you turn the dial up and you really tune into them. So then that walk that would have just had a physiological benefit then has a psychological benefit, neurochemical benefit, and you've enhanced that walk and you've gained so much more.